Hello and welcome back. In order to give you a holistic view of what this course will cover, we'll go over the syllabus in this session. We'll begin with 10,000 feet overview of QlikView and various components, as well as basics of relational database. Then we'll dive into scripting. QlikView has built-in ETL capability, so you will learn how to connect to various relational sources and extract data in this session. Thereafter, we'll learn data modeling basics. In this session, we'll learn the basics of data model and understand how QlikView stores data. Thereafter, we'll learn how to extract data from non-relational sources. And in the end, we'll resolve synthetic key and circular loops. Thereafter, we will learn how to generate more data in the script using resident load. We'll also learn how to create master calendar. Since most QlikView applications require a separate master calendar, we'll learn how to create one in our script. And then we'll be introduced to mapping tables. Well, mapping tables play a crucial role in most QlikView applications, so it will be worthwhile exercise to learn how to use it in this particular session. Thereafter, we'll go over various data model optimization techniques, such as various joins and concatenate. In the session that follows, we'll learn how to deal with data model related challenges when we introduce a cross table. We'll also go over the concept of link table. Thereafter, we'll learn some additional scripting considerations, such as slowly changing dimension. And in particular, we'll learn how to deal with type 2 slowly changing dimension. We'll also use interval match function to deal with slowly changing dimension. Then we'll be introduced to one of the most interesting concepts in QlikView development, and that is set analysis. We'll learn what set analysis is and how you can use it in your development. We'll also be introduced to aggr functions. Thereafter, we'll be introduced to one of the most interesting concepts, and that's QlikView data file, which is a binary data file that QlikView reads from and writes to. And we'll end that particular sessions by going over metadata. And the last but not least is security. Since data is important to every organization, and it is more important to protect data from users who should not have access to certain sensitive data. In this particular session, we'll learn how to use section access to restrict data from certain user or groups of users. And that pretty much covers the gamut of course that we will be going over to introduce you various concepts and techniques related to QlikView development. So, thank you very much. We'll see you in the next lecture.